Welcome to our dishwasher showdown. Today, we are comparing two fantastic dishwashers. The Midea MDF18A1ABB, a built-in model known for its spacious design and energy efficiency, and the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher, perfect for small spaces and easy installation. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. The Midea MDF18A1ABB is a built-in dishwasher designed for standard kitchen installations, providing a seamless look in your kitchen. In contrast, the Gudsunal is a portable countertop model, making it an excellent choice for apartments, RVs, or dorms where space is limited. This difference in installation type can significantly impact where and how you use each appliance. When it comes to drying, the Midea uses a heated drying system, ensuring your dishes come out dry and ready to use. On the other hand, the Gudsunal features a hybrid drying system that utilizes hot air, which is effective but may not be as fast as heated drying. This can be an important factor if you frequently need your dishes dried quickly. The Midea MDF18A1ABB can accommodate 8 place settings, making it suitable for larger families or gatherings. In contrast, the Gudsunal claims to handle about 30 sets of dishes, although this is based on its compact design and may vary in practice. If you often host guests or have a large family, the Midea might be the better option, while the Gudsunal is ideal for smaller loads. In conclusion, both the Midea MDF18A1ABB and Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher have their unique advantages. The Midea offers a built-in solution with a spacious capacity and efficient drying, while the Gudsunal provides portability and ease of use for smaller spaces. Depending on your kitchen needs and lifestyle, one of these dishwashers is sure to meet your requirements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more appliance comparisons.